This is the main place tower.
She might be watching, dude.
You see that camera?
She's not seeing her, I mean.
Okay. Yeah, true. She seems anal. Alright. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, I didn't think anybody was out there. I'm like, boy, that elevator came fast. Krista, I'm going to the bank. Okay. Oh, are you going to see somebody over there?
Oh, no, I
Oh,
got
you're on the wrong side?
yeah, I got
Oh,
off on the wrong floor.
okay.
Sorry.
You want, oh, I'm going down. Oh,
Yeah,
it's going
yeah,
down.
yeah. Okay. Yep. Have a good one. Hello. Oh shit. Let me get off.
Hey, what's up, man?
Not much. How's it going?
All right. I wasn't expecting anybody to. You riding the elevator?
Getting a video for a project.
Okay. What's the?
I'm just.
Should I be?
Oh, I don't mind. I don't
Alright.
care.
What's the project?
I'm interested in old elevators. These are pretty rare. They're old. These fixtures are really
Oh, yeah,
really
they are.
rare. But you have a good one. He was asking about what I was taking a video of. Anyway, that's gonna be it.